ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಗವಿಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ವರ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಕಾಲೇಜು, ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಚನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶಾರೀರ ವಿಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಗಟ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬಯೋಟಾ ಕರುಳಿನ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಜೀವಿಯ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕುರಿತು ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
A warm welcome to one and all of you. Today I am dealing with the topic as a functional medicine, gut microbiota as well as gut-brain axis and its implications in Ayurveda. As you know that what the food we intake is so important for us. Do you know the importance of the familiarization as well as the most important food that we contain, the probiotics as well as the prebiotic one? That we should know that. Think what we are eating. And the human gut microbiota harbours millions of microbes with its genetic materials and which have connections with gut-brain axis, which is even connected with the enteric nervous system through by autonomous neuronal circuitry. So the food we are intake is always controlling the human brain also. So in Ayurveda it states that ahara sambhavam vastu rogasya ahara sambhavah. From the ahara itself, from the food itself, we are getting the disease one. Why the disease is occurring? As a functional system, it harbors or it destroys, deprives the microbial culture. As a result of that, this gut microbe connection with the brain is also deteriorated. As a result of that, disease manifests. In the meta-transcriptomic studies, it shows that autism spectrum disorders, bipolar disorders and numerous others, even Alzheimer's disorders are also seen to be a cause for gut microbiota deprivation. How we should overcome? We should overcome by following the major ahara visheshayatana as told by Ayurveda, ashtahara vidhi visheshayatana as well as ahara vidhi vidhana. Taking diet which is full of shadrasa. Shadrasa indicate the ahara which consists of madhura, amla, tikta, kadu, kashaya rasa, and we should indulge in our diet. And we should use probiotic. Probiotic means the food which improves the microbial culture, which should improve the beneficial microbiota. For example, curd is a very good probiotic. So that curd should be intended in our diet according to the nutritional availability to a particular person. This way how should improve our own health, and our lifestyle is very much important. We are not at all aware we are going into a lots of tremendous disorders that we are intake. The stress we are evolving with deplete the microbiota, and the sedentary lifestyle habits is also deplete the microbiota. So these should be avoided. Being pleasant, always culturing, nurturing the microbial culture is very much mandatory. So that in Ayurveda, the yoga siddhanta darshana for having yogasana, pranayama are much practiced for having better microbial culture, which is always providing that is decrease of the stressful situation, which will not manipulate the hypothalamo-pituitary adrenal axis, which favors the microbial culture. So, as a functional physician, the beneficial microflora should be improved for the betterment of the society. So, in our hand, that we can prevent the bipolar disorders, depressive episodes in the men, and as well as the autism spectrum disorders, Alzheimer's disorders, whatever may be, that being correlated with the functional system can be abolished to a certain extent by following the proper method, that is proper lifestyle, proper food intake as well as correct time of food intake with the proper quantity. These can be reduced to a certain extent. For better future, the better upliftment of the society as well as healthy life is mandatory. The healthy food intake may lead to the healthy life. So that every individual should try this much of healthy Ayurvedic dietetics as well as lifestyle for the betterment of the microbial culture as well as microbial gut health for its own the proper functioning of the human brain. Thanking you. Thanks.
ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನು ಸೇವಿಸಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತು ರುಚಿಕರ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಾತನ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ರೂಢಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ, ತುಪ್ಪದಂತಹ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಪ್ರೀಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೋಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರುಳಿನ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಜೀವಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತವೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಪ್ರೀಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೋಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಗುಣಗಳುಳ್ಳ ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಕರುಳಿನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹೊಸ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.